YouTube or not deal. I don't know, say boy Vice Entertainment they are back on another vlog, you know. And today we actually have a gym. So what I want to do is I want actually carry a gym with me and show you what my training routine and what I do and you know things like that. So yeah, that's all gonna be later. So stay tuned. I don't know, say, oh, I have to get a little warm up and thing. You see me, like, you see, if like you have a workout, make sure, say, your muscle them will warm up. So, I mean, like, you can do one little jog and then, you know, stretch your muscle them before, like, you're going to workout and thing. So, yeah, that's basically what I just done do. So, I spear, you know. The spear, you know, the boring part there, and I get some workout done, and yeah, make sure so you know today every step I way is it. So yeah. You see, if you don't want to get success, don't give up. Don't say the back way is there, but don't get the drift. As you can see, this is the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. But while you're at this point in the video, I want you to comment down below which workout do you do at home. Did you do anything similar to what I did today, or do you do the exact workout that I did today? Comment down below, let me know. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and see you in the next one. Peace.